This tour was started from January 31st, 2021. Because of some reason, I was not able to upload video for many days. But finally, Andaman vlog is here. During this tour, we maintained all the precautions of COVID-19, and before starting our journey, we have done our COVID test because in airport it is mandatory to have the COVID test report. Otherwise, they will not allow us to do this tour.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So my today's vlog is all about Andaman and Nicobar Island. So today I am going to Agartala to Kolkata, then from Kolkata to Port Blair. So our journey will start now. So let's see.
So now we are in the way to go to airport, Agartala airport. So you can see the road, auto, buses, and I'm in car. I'm going by car to airport. So let's enjoy.
Hi.
Hi.
So now we are in the airport, Agartala airport. You can see the whole airport. Now my mama is coming. Mama, hi bolo.
Hi.
फिर से.
Baba. Hi. And it's me. Everyone is drinking tea, so I don't like tea at all. So I'm drinking my favorite thing.
So finally we are going to board to our flight. This flight is Air India. You can see the area of the Agartala airport. Here is my mother, my father, and this is the flight of Air India. So finally we are at Kolkata. So this is Kolkata airport and that is the bus of Air India. Finally we are in Volvo bus of Air India, and now we are entering to the inside, means indoor of the airport. And finally we are at our retiring room. Actually we booked retiring room because tomorrow morning at 4 or 5 a.m. we are having the flight of Kolkata to Andaman, means Port Blair. For that, for one day we don't need to book any hotel outside of the airport. So we decided that we will live in the retiring room of airport, and it is very beautiful and very clean. As you can see, the bathroom and toilets, that is very clean, and really I didn't expect that I will get this type of rooms in airport. This is just awesome. This is a curtain by which I can see the outside of the airport. Not outside of the airport, indoor of the airport. There the shops are there. Now we are going to do our dinner on that army canteen out of the airport, means out of the airport building, not out of the airport area. So let's go and eat our dinner because I'm really very hungry. So let's go.
So now I'm going, and this is the outside of our building and room.
We are done with our dinner. So now we will go to our retiring room, and we will take rest. And our reporting is at 3:30. But as we are living in retiring room only, so we will go for boarding or security checking at 4 a.m. So till that, bye bye. But again, I will come with you all again at 4 a.m. So bye. Now I will sleep or rest. I will sleep because till that time I want to sleep because I'm too tired. From the morning I'm busy with many things. Finally I will get the chance to take rest. So okay, after some time we will meet again. Bye. So now we are in escalator. We are going for security checking. So yeah.
Now I am in Volvo bus, and we are going in front of our flight. And now we are in front of my flight, and I will finally go to Port Blair, and I will meet you soon in next video of day 1 of Andaman. Bye bye.